Okay guys, they were gonna be playing JJS, but this time we're gonna goof around with the train. The reason I want to do this is because the train is new and I just used it and it was hilarious, okay? I want to be using it right now. It will be very fun and goofy. So the reason I want to use the train is because, like, why not? I mean, it's new. Wait, watch this. Okay, this time you'll actually be able to hear me, so the sound is low. Okay, now here we go. Oh crap! Ouchie! This. Oh no. Hey, we can talk this out. We can chill. Whoa. We can talk this out. We can. I worked! Yes. No. No way, no, he's gonna use rush. No, we're only cutting slash for you, though. No world cutting slash for you. Come on, no. Crap. I'm cooked, bro. I'm cooked. I am cooked. No way. Yes, I killed him. Okay, now I just need to, like, use my abilities and hit the jump. Yes, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna throw this guy, because he's a passive Batman. What did he say? Owie! You're dead! You are mine! Get back here. I don't care! Get out! Come on! Oh, thanks! Thank you! I thought we were gonna run. No, this is easy. Get out! Come on, bro. Come on. I need to catch just one kill out of Hakari Ultimate. Like. Oh! Going for this guy again, I guess. Where is he? Come on. Oh, that guy's still. Never mind. Okay. Well, let's use the train now. Let's end this video off with the train so I can get to making another tier list video. Since the reception I got from the tier list video was like, it was very good. You guys enjoyed the tier list video. So yeah, now let it out! Yay! Okay, now let's do. You have to take a long haul all the way to the train. All the way to the train. Not long. Definitely won't take that long. Parkour. This is reminding me of the part where Yuji did his domain expansion, water. Domain expansion, just water and pee. Open! Okay, there. Let's end this video off on a high note with the train. Lol. And I'm not dead. Well, that was anticlimactic. I was like, it knocked me at 1 health. Well, okay, guys, that's the video. I really hope you enjoyed. I will be making more JJS content. I will be making more content in general. Just please tell me what you want, because I will literally make anything. I just want you guys to make the content. Okay, thank you for watching. I might do more. I'm gonna do a tier list video now. Bye.